Hi everyone! Today we're going to cover everything data analytics. Begin by clicking this social media tab, which will open this page here. Here you'll have all of your different content calendar tools, but today let's choose reports and analytics. You can also get to this page by selecting the social media dropdown and then choosing analytics. This is the ultimate tool to help you better understand your social media progress and your engagement. And the data that you get here can help you build your brand and strategy. So first, let's use this dropdown here to select which social media account we want to see data for. You can choose your Twitter profile, your LinkedIn, Instagram, Google My Business, and Facebook page. If you want to add an account, you can just use this Add Account button here. Now let's come over here to this dropdown. Here you'll be able to select your time frame that you want your data to reflect. So you can choose 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or you can use this custom option here and select your preferred date range. Just don't forget, if you make any changes, to click Apply. Now let's move on and use this drop-down menu here to talk about metrics. When we say metrics, we're just talking about data. Simplified has a lot of different metrics for you to choose from, so select the metrics that you'd like by toggling on, and you can deselect the metrics that you don't want to see by toggling off. Again, make sure that if you make any changes, to click Apply. Here you'll be able to see all of your different data and trends. If you scroll down, you'll start to see your data in chart form. This is a really great way to have a visual representation of your data. You can use this drop-down menu here to select which metric or data that you want to see in chart format. You can use this three-dot icon to clone your chart, which means duplicate your chart, or remove your chart. You can create as many charts as you want, and if you keep scrolling down, you'll be able to see a list view of all of your different posts. Your posts will automatically be sorted by publish date, but if you'd rather sort your posts by a different metric, all you have to do is to go to the metric that you want and select it. Now your posts will be ordered by the highest level of the data that you clicked. I'm choosing impressions. If I want to sort from lowest to highest impressions, I can just click this little arrow next to impressions. If you come down here, you can choose how many posts you want to be included into your report. And if you scroll down, this portion of your data analytics is talking about gender and age. You can see in this drop-down menu, you can choose your fans or your reach. So this data will indicate the gender of your fans and the age of your fans. This is the chart here. And if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see your fan data in list view from highest to lowest. You can click more to see a full breakdown of all of the different data. If you continue to scroll down, you'll be able to see data from countries, again using this drop down to either see from your fans or your reach, and you'll have that data again in rank form. Continue to scroll down to see the top cities of your fans or of your reach, again using that drop down to see even more details about that data. Now let's scroll all the way back up to the top, and now let's talk about downloading your report. You can use this yellow download report button to download your report directly to your device. You can either download as a PDF or as a PNG. If you scroll through this will be a preview of what your report will look like, and you can use this button here to include or not include your logo, which you can upload using this button here. You'll also be able to make adjustments to the modules, also known as the datasets, trends, and audience members that you want included in your report. Once you've made all your adjustments, go ahead and click the download button and your report will download in seconds to your device. Now your data analytics is ready to share with your team members and your clients. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified Social Calendar can help you every step of the way with your content. See you there.